What's up, guys? It's me, Jimmy. So this is the Apple Pencil 2. Everyone, $999 I pay for it. 900. As you can see the price by yourself. If someone do not believe me, it's super expensive. $999 for this Apple Pencil. So yeah, let me just open it. Okay, let me put the iPad aside. How I can open? I don't wanna. Okay. Oh, I don't need a knife. Safety is number one priority. Close the knife fast. Okay, here we go. And then here's the Apple Pencil. Okay, here we go. Where's the Apple Pencil? Oh, I was worried that they gave me the first generation one. Okay, yeah. Is there any... What is this? What is this? What is this? What is this? Okay. There's some kind of instruction which is very important. Okay. Magnetically attach the Apple Pencil to charge and store. Okay, blah 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 blah. Okay, let me put this because sometimes you have to send the pencil, right? Finally, here's my Apple Pencil. Okay, here we go. Okay, let me take out the Apple Pencil and let me just close this one. So okay, there's a wrapper. How I can take without destroying it? Okay, there's a wrapper which again I'm going to keep it. Come on, what did I did wrong? Okay, troublesome. Okay, yeah, here we go. Okay, finally we're done. Because if I don't like, maybe I will select that, so I'm doing this thing. Okay, here's my iPad. Here's my stupid iPad. Okay, let me put in portrait mode. Can you see? And let me just open us. Is that working or not? Okay, because how to attach, I forgot. Okay, yeah, now it's working. Continue. I'm using the case to attach. You see, I'm not attaching directly to the case. This is the best case. Okay, can I use now? Yes. Okay, I wanna draw something. Let me put on high brightness. Can you see? Yeah, now what to do? Wow, your finger will be just calling. Wow, I love it. I love the Apple. I'm sorry. Where's the eraser? Wow, I like this double tap. Apple Pencil, for example. I just double tap. Okay. Wow, I like it. It's nice. It's nice. I mean, okay, let me try something else, like a marker. For example, let me just throw like, yeah. No, this one. Okay, like this. Let me. What about this one? Yeah. Yeah, like this. Let me become an artist. Okay, not this one. Okay, Just guess what I'm drawing. Just guess what I am drawing. I'm drawing the Goku. Yeah. So how are my drawing skill? I love the Apple Pencil. Okay, let me go somewhere here and use it here. Can I use the Apple Pencil? For example, GS Marina. Can I use the Apple Pencil for scrolling? Yeah, I love it. I just love the Apple Pencil. For example, I wanna highlight, like markup. Okay, let's do some markup. Okay, highlighter. For example, I wanna highlight this one. Good, I like it. Okay, something like this one, or like green. Yeah, I mean it's good for highlighting. Wow. Something like, for example, something like this one. Wow, I like it. I like it. I like it. Okay, done. Delete PDF. Okay. 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 What are the apps we can use? Pages, GarageBand. Where's iMovie? Okay, like for example, we can edit the iMovie. Yeah, I mean I'm liking it. I mean the good thing is that it attaches magnetically. I really like the tip. Sadly, only there's one tip, right? Yeah, there's only one tip. Yeah, now it's working again. Let me try something else. For example, like with black. And what's this? Okay, I don't need this one. Something like this one. Let me try something. Let me write. I really like the Apple Pencil. APPLEPS. Okay, now let me write here with a real paper and see how well I can write. Let me try to get a thick lead one. Can I get? Okay, yeah, something like similar to Apple Pencil. Now you can see how well I write. Oh no, it's just fallen off. Oh no. Yeah, okay, now let's start. Come. Okay, like this is enough. Okay, I really like the Apple. I mean, I know it's Apple. I'm just trying to make a fun Apple Pencil. So yeah, as you can see, compare side by side, is quite similar. What do you think? It's quite similar. I mean, I think so. The Apple Pencil is a must. I know it's expensive. Yeah, $999. Do you really need Apple Pencil? I don't think so. Unless you're really into taking notes or something like that, like highlighting books, highlighting magazine. If I don't need the Apple Pencil after using, I can put here like this. But and then I can easily remove. I think I should put like this, right? Yeah, like this. And then I can easily remove